Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Morgan Options. Here I show you how to trade binary options. And today's strategies will be... Stop! Before we get started, I just want to ask you one thing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and put a like. Because I've never seen such a detailed guide like mine anywhere else. And of course, don't forget about my Telegram channel. Message me on Telegram and get even more useful information and start trading with me. So here we are on the broker platform, and let's get started with today's trading. You can see $20 on my balance, and we will begin growing our deposit from this amount. I have already selected the most optional currency pairs with movement on the charts and good payout percentage. I have analyzed them and concluded that the best indicators for use today will be Donchian channel with a period of 15, the MACD oscillator with periods of 5, 7 and 10, and the second oscillator SSI with a period of 10. These are the settings for each of the indicators, and the strategy has a universal nature. You will be able to open trades both with and against the trend, and also in flat market conditions. Overall, we will control the price movement since it will stay within our channel indicators. We will also be monitoring the sentiment and dynamics of the charts with our oscillators. It's not a difficult strategy, and you will understand how to work with this as I trade. But let's get started, no more wasting time, and let's pick our first currency pair. Here we are immediately opening a buy trade. It's a great entry point with the formation of a new extreme point and the exit from the oversold area on our oscillator. As we see, the support area was broken. A new local minimum was formed, and we also had a touch of the lower moving average of our channel indicator. We conclude that the price will move upward, and we also see a rebound on our SSI oscillator. We are also expecting a small pullback, and the trade should close in profit. Let's watch the result. As you can see, the trade closes in profit. As I said, we are expecting a small pullback, and the green candle showed that. Since we opened the trade in time, we caught this small pullback and closed the trade in profit. This is how this strategy works. It wasn't too difficult. Let's continue our trading and pick the next currency pair. Here we will open a sell trade again, also against the trend. Let's highlight the working area. We opened the previous trade against the trend, and we will also open this trade against the trend. The resistance area is touched here, and in this case, we have a new local maximum and a touch of the upper moving average. The same pattern happens again, and we will observe the exit from the oversold area, overbought, We won't look at the MACD for now. The only thing we see is that it's showing good volumes on the histogram, but it hasn't given us a signal yet. Let's watch the end of the trade. And in the last seconds, our trade still closes in profit. The trade was absolutely correct, and the price pullback happened as expected. At the end, the candle gave a small upward impulse, but in the end, the trade closed in profit. Let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Here we'll open a buy trade. Based on the price movement, I think there is a support area here. Yes, here's the support area, and we have some good touches. My memory hasn't failed me. We see a triple signal here. Everything is clear. The MACD histogram previously showed the scanning volumes. We see the crossing of the moving average with the signal line. And we are seeing an exit from the oversold area with our second oscillator. We see a touch of the lower moving average of our channel indicator. And we open a buy trade. Triple signal against the trend. You see previous price movement, and I think not many would happen the trade like this, but we did. Let's watch the result. And our third trade also closes easily in profit. Again, we opened the third trade against the trend, and it closed in profit. I don't see any easy trend openings yet, but I think such an opportunity will come. Let's pick the next currency pair. Let's open again against the trend. I think the price pullback should occur. We have formed a new price high on this currency pair. OTC pair, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. From this level, I think the price dynamics will go downward. We see the crossing of the moving average on the MACD downward, and the crossing of the overbought area on our second oscillator. So, let's watch the result of this trade. I think there should still be a small pullback. And the trade closes in profit. As I said, we should have a small pullback, just like the previous trades. A small upward impulse happened, but thanks to the correct level and timing, we closed the trade in profit. Moreover, we opened the trade during the trend pullback again on an OTC currency pair. So let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Here we will note the touch of the middle moving average, bounce from the middle moving average of our channel indicator, and open a sell trade. I'll explain why. Let's highlight the working area. First, a descending trend and such a pullback. It's clear that the descending trend will likely continue. We note the touch of the middle moving average, and from here we move downward. This is why we are opening a sell trade. In terms of volumes, we see that the price pullback should change. Let's observe the end of the trade. And the trade closes in profit. Nothing complicated here. As you see, when you open a trade in the direction of the trend, it's easy and more confident. But my goal was to demonstrate this strategy from all angles. In general, I almost did it. Let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Here we are opening a buy trade in the direction of the current trend. We are focusing on the crossing of the MACD moving average and opening the trade in the direction of the trend. In this case, we didn't have the first touch of the lower moving average, and we didn't have the second touch either, which indicates a strong upward movement. The SSI oscillator also shows an upward trend. Here we are observing the crossing of the MACD moving average, so we open the buy trade in the direction of the strong trend. And the next trade closed in profit. As you can see, trading in the direction of the trend using this strategy is much easier than trading against the trend. Here we previously opened a sell trade in the direction of the trend, and now we have opened a buy trade in the direction of the trend. And you can see the result. Let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Now here I want to open a buy trade, focusing on the touch of the support area. A good support area has formed here, and the oversold area has already been crossed by our oscillator. We also see the touch of the lower moving average of our channel indicator and the respective movements. So we are opening a buy trade here, friends. Let's watch the result. We are seeing a slight reversal now. So let's wait for the trade to finish. And the next trade closes in profit. In general, it wasn't difficult. Let's open two trades of $822 each. As I said, friends, the strategy is indeed universal and performs well whether you open trades in flat market conditions, as you saw just now, or trading with the trend or against it, as you saw earlier. I have basically shown you how the strategy works. So let's open a few more trades to solidify the results and continue with our analysis while picking the next currency pair. Here we'll open two sell trades. This wasn't the best entry. One of the trades might close at break-even or in a loss, since the trades weren't open at the most ideal levels. They were not peaks at the same level, but overall the trades were opened correctly, and we entered the market following the trend. Let's highlight the working area. Overall, there is a downward trend here, and a price pullback is occurring. I think the price dynamics will move downward, as there was a strong pullback, and it's clear that the dynamics shouldn't go upward and touch the upper moving average. The oscillator's moving average has already crossed the overbought area, so we need to wait for the price to exit this area. That's why we are opening sell trades here. And yes, the trades closed in profit. It was a bit risky, but I'm glad the trades closed in profit, since the trades were opened in a rather uncomfortable manner for us. Let's open some final trades worth $3,000 and pick the next currency pair. Now we'll open buy trades here. These are just free trades in my opinion. Let's highlight the working area. First, after the downward trend, a small consolidation area has formed. But what's unusual is that we have had a strong impulse downward in this candle, and there was an immediate touch of the lower moving average. Afterward, the oversold area was crossed. So we should definitely expect a pullback in the price dynamics. That's why we are opening buy trades here. Let's watch the result. And our final trades, as you can see, close in profit. This was the perfect entry level. As I said, we should have a small pullback, and you can see the pullback in the form of the green candle, so the trades close in profit. I'm going to finalize today's trading result and move on to the withdrawal. Let's select the wallet, and the amount will be $5,700 from 20 guys. Click continue, and the operation is successfully complete. That's how our trading turned out today. Very interesting and pleasant. A great strategy that works well in both flat market conditions and when opening trades with the trend and against it. I have demonstrated that to you today. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram group. All the necessary links are in the description under the video. So guys, good luck in trading and see you soon!